My name is Miss Christina, and today I'm going to share some crafts with you that you can make at your own house out of things that you can recycle and have fun with instead of throw away. And remember, friends, if you don't have these items at your house, that's okay. This is where you can use your imagination and go on an exploration around your own house to find these items that you can use for our crafts today. So today we are going to make musical instruments, and the best thing about these crafts is that you can play them and enjoy them with your families. So let's get started.
We are going to make a box guitar, a kazoo, and drums that can also be turned into shakers.
So we are going to start with our box guitar, and any kind of box that you have at your house will do. So if you have a cracker box, a cereal box, maybe you have an old shoe box you can use, or a tissue box. And actually tissue boxes are great for this project because they already have a hole cut in them, so you won't need to cut one. But if you have a box that doesn't have a hole, that's okay too. It's so simple to cut one. So today I'm going to show you how to make a box guitar using an old cereal box.
So if your box has any opening, you're going to want to start by taping those closed, and most of them do. As you can see, ours has these flaps up here, so we're going to want to start by taping those down. And you can use any kind of tape. Just put it all the way across there to seal that hole. You will then cut a round hole in the box about halfway down. Once you cut that hole, you can either put rubber bands across that hole, or if you choose to use string, you can tie those pieces of string across that hole. And if you use string, you'd probably want to use 3 to 4 pieces. Once you have all your pieces of string or all your rubber bands across the whole of the guitar, you're going to want to space those out evenly, and then you can begin to strum your guitar. And as you can see, I added a different element at the very top. This is for the neck of the guitar. It adds something special to it, but it also allows little hands to hold onto the guitar better. And all you're going to need for that is a paper towel roll, and you're going to puncture the top, stick that roll in. Next, we will make a kazoo. For this next project, you will need a paper towel or toilet paper roll, wax paper, a brown bag, wrapping paper, a coffee filter or a cupcake liner, a rubber band or string, paint, markers, paper, or stickers, whatever you want to decorate your project with, and then something to poke a few small holes such as scissors, a pen, or a sharp pencil. Okay friends, this is where you're going to get creative. First, you're going to decorate your kazoo. You can use markers, stickers, paint, whatever you'd like. So once you're finished decorating, have a grown-up help you poke 3 to 5 holes in the neck of the roll. And grown-ups, you're going to want to leave a little space in between each hole, so about a ½ inch to 1 inch, depending on the size of your roll. You will then cut a circle from the wax paper, brown bag, or wrapping paper for this. You can also use unused coffee filters or cupcake liners, and both of these work great because no cutting is involved. You are going to take whatever item you use, spread it across one opening, put your rubber band on it or your string, and there you have your kazoo.
When you're all done with your kazoo, you can place it to your mouth and hum your favorite song. Mine so happens to be Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Do, 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 do.
Lastly, I will show you how to make a drum. This can also be turned into a shaker as well. So for this project, you will need a cylinder container with a lid, such as a yogurt container or a soup container. This is actually a baby formula can. Markers, crayons, paints, paper, or stickers, whatever you want to use to decorate your drums with. And then beans or rice if you want to make it into a shaker.
So this is a pretty simple craft, but what I love most about this craft is that your little one can take the time to decorate and get really creative about what they want to put on their drum. Sometimes it's really hard for your little ones to color and write on the cylinder shape. So what you can do is you can get a piece of paper and you are going to cut it the length of the cylinder, have them decorate it however they would like, wrap it around the cylinder, just grab a piece of tape or some glue, stick that paper on that cylinder, and there you have your drum. And what you can do is grab different cylinders of different sizes, decorate them however you'd like, and now you have a complete drum set. And it's great to use your little hands for these. However, it's also really fun to go around your house and look for things that you can use as drumsticks. So I have a marker or a paintbrush, a wooden spoon, and this is great, grown-ups, for your little ones' fine motor skills. To add one more element to this if you would like, grab some rice or some beans. You can get little candies, whatever you have at home, and you don't need a lot. Just pour a little bit into that cylinder. Pop that lid back on, and you now have a shaker. And grown-ups, if you're scared for your little ones with these little items, what you can do is just glue the top on, put it back on.
An alternative to this is a bongo drum. This is fun for the older kids. You will need a can, a balloon, scissors, and a rubber band or string. You will start by cutting off the top of the balloon. Spread the balloon across the can and secure with a rubber band or a string. And as always, you can add rice or beans to create a shaker.
So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you all create some wonderful instruments and have fun doing it. Bye, and we hope to see you at the library soon.